Hello everyone, I'm welcoming all the investment banking enthusiasts, all the hedge fund aspirant, all the process executive aspirant here at Magic Institute of Excellence who guiding me to reach my goal. My name is Harshit and I took a part in the investment banking and hedge fund operations guided by Vishal sir and Prathamesh sir and team. Special thanks to Sheetal, Aisha and Nikita for supporting me during the crucial aspect of placements. I was at nowhere when I found this opportunity to get myself enrolled. I was working in a sales domain which didn't had any impact in me and my career, taking care of my finance graduation as well as post graduation, where I always soaked myself into getting placed into financial banking as well as investment banking process. I got my selection into senior process executive at Cognizant. Special thanks to the resume building, intensive mock interviews, and expert guidance provided by the mentors who shaped and defined my career. I ask everyone to go for it